Hey PC gamers! Microsoft just dropped a game-changing update for the Xbox PC app, uniting your games from Steam, Battle.net, and more in one place. Is this the end of launcher chaos? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest gaming news. Let's dive into this epic Xbox update. Microsoft's testing a unified gaming library in the Xbox PC app, letting Xbox insiders launch games from multiple platforms like Battle.net and Steam without juggling apps. This could make PC gaming smoother than ever. Want to know how it works? Keep watching! This update is a dream for PC gamers. The Xbox PC app now pulls games from supported shopfronts into one My Library hub. Xbox product manager Manisha Oza says, once you install a game from a platform like Steam, it auto-appears in your library and most recent sidebar. You can even hide specific shopfronts in the library and extension settings to keep things tidy. No more launcher overload. Want in? Join the PC gaming preview via the Xbox Insider Hub on your PC to test this feature now. Microsoft's planning to roll it out to everyone later this year with support for more shopfronts and even new devices like the Asus ROG Xbox Ally handhelds. This could turn the Xbox app into your go-to gaming hub. Ready to give it a spin? This unified library is a big deal. By consolidating games from different platforms, Microsoft's making PC gaming simpler and more seamless. With plans to expand shopfront support and integrate with handhelds, the Xbox app could become the ultimate PC gaming destination. Could this outshine Steam's dominance? Let's hear your take. Microsoft's testing phase is live and the full rollout is coming soon. Whether you're a casual gamer or a multi-platform pro, this update could streamline your setup. Are you joining the Xbox Insider Hub to try it or waiting for the official launch? Drop your thoughts below. That's the scoop on Microsoft's unified Xbox PC app library. Are you hyped to ditch multiple launchers or curious about the ROG Ally support? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more gaming updates.